Dinghy. The garden. And after these streets, you will see. You will get more surprise.
You will get surprise. James Corner. He's here.
Which one?
James Joyce Corner. Yeah.
James Joyce. Di Leonardo. It's not Di Leonardo.
Oh, I like this.
Makeup forever. This is for.
Nice lad.
Schön.
Panoramic.
So quiet, huh?
Yeah, that's what I asked. Is it the weekend or what is it?
Friday. Now you're going down there and you will see it's busy again.
It's all restaurants and stuff.
Under the bridge, on the river.
Oh, yeah. Nice one, lad. Which one?
Nice lot. Only babies. They hire the baby to make noise. Otherwise it's too quiet. He's getting paid to cry. To bring some fun to the place.
They used to do that in Irish funerals.
Yeah, right?
Pay people to go to the
And to
funeral
cry, right?
to make them feel important.
Imagine.
Full-time job.
Professional.
Dios, me miraba, o sea, no te voy a dar de comer.
Son culeado.
¿Qué es esto? Restaurante. Me huele a dicho.
He's actually acting like he knows where we're going.
You will see.
Now here, now next one second left.
You will see, my
I'm
friend.
about to get robbed in a back alley here. Like,
According to my friends, you know, it's like,
I'm completely convinced.
they're almost here, they're almost here. See, my friend. See?
Oh.
¿Salís conmigo? Te llevo
Vale,
a buenos lugares.
me lo empezaré a creer.
Los juguetes son re serios, ¿viste?
Me gusta algo, tío.
The toys here are super serious, you know, it's not like Power Rangers
Yeah,
or
yeah.
They put cars or
It's like in
boats
the
or
60s.
yachts or
Like toys in the 60s.
yeah, it's like you have to start saving money from now, you know, to get that.
Collectible.
Mira, ya, eso de ahí es todo de oro.
¿El qué?
Gold.
Sí, ¿no?
Yes.
Shall we? So yeah,
Tell
try.
me to climb.
Give me a boost.
In Argentina, I would be gone already. Like,
No, of course.
yeah, they will replace it with copper.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Jeez, if it's copper, it'd be robbed in Ireland as well.
In Argentina, you know, even they steal these ones, you know,
The floor, like.
these ones because the
It's, yeah, it's cobre. ¿Cómo se dice?
copper.
Copper.
Yeah, the travellers in Ireland rob it everywhere.
They just take it to this iron guy, like he melted,
Melts it.
and then makes a lot of money.
It's so valuable.
Yeah.
Because we used to, you know the drains, they used to be in copper in Ireland and they had to stop that because the trappers were coming into buildings like that night and taking it off.
And even the funny things like the coins, our coins are really nice, you know, but the value of the peso is so low, like even it's more valuable to melt the coins, man.
Oh shit. That's crazy.
Yes. It's an ugly place, huh? It's ugly.
Super ugly.
It's horrible. I prefer I
No,
don't
but
know,
this reminds me to.
Lahore.
This reminds me to. No Copenhagen, the other one.
Prague.
Stockholm.
Ah,
Yeah.
but Stockholm doesn't have that.
Yeah.
Stockholm doesn't have that.
Well, yeah, so Honda doesn't have the Alps. That's for sure.
They have Vikings. Grandote, ¿eh? El cisne ese.
Ya, eso tiene un bocado flipado.
Está rico.
Eso te hace un paté, tío,
Mal.
con los higadillos.
Para todo el pueblo. Qué locura esas montañas, ¿eh?
Sí, la verdad que una pasada.
Me llama el bar. El bar.
Está guapo,
Sí. Sí. Bueno, igual el otro día había más gente que ahora.
Sí, bueno, pues mejor, cuanto más tranquilo.
Sí, quizás más tarde porque la gente todavía está trabajando. El otro día estaba en Copenhagen y así de día muerto. Y a
¿Sí?
las 6, 7 que hacía mucho frío dijimos, bueno, vamos a volver porque hace mucho frío. Y de repente las calles llenas, toda la gente saliendo de la piscina.
Copenhagen, every time I go, full.
Sí, es un dolor de huevo. Y yo te digo, la gente estaba nadando así en el agua, al agua fría, desnuda. Joder. Yo no sé cómo
¿En
hacen.
Copenhagen?
Sí, están locos. Para mí son parte de una secta de alienígenas.
Das Grab wieder zurückversetzt und dort haben sie
That bike.
Para acá está toda la calle de all the street with restaurants, bars. And then from here we can find the train station to take it to the mountains.
Okay.
Or we can have a drink or something here. ¿Qué es esa moto? La moto de Bane en Batman.
Not those
I
bikes.
prefer the Vespa, to be honest. Give me the Vespa all life. Look the swan comparing. Uy. Parecía, ¿eh?
Well, I live there, so we want to.
Qué linda la rubia. No la. Se está rascando la pocha.
La pocha.
Is it itchy?
Scratch that.
Scratch that shit. Even the water is so clean, man. Look at this.
Yeah, that's true, eh?
So transparent. And it's in the city.
In the middle of the city, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the most
Yeah, into
the best.
Yeah, or the Thames in
Yeah, go to Manchester.
Oh, Urus. Fuck. Oh, orgasmic. There you have it. The noise, even he's like 20 kilometers per hour.
He's not going nowhere.
He's like 20 kilometers. Just there, that PE. Oh. This guy, I'm telling you, YouTube, he tried that car the other day.
Yeah, I was between the Honda Civic
Oh.
and that one. But then I went for the Honda Civic.
More practical.
More practical, yeah. Less consumption.
We came from there, right?
I think the environment.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like you're vegan, yogi, and a green car.
I felt like I didn't need to compensate that much, you know.
Tesla. Tesla boys. Oh. One view from there is from the entire city.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going this far, I suppose.
Yeah. We should go.
We should go up.
Yeah. we're here. Come on.
He's gonna wait here first.
Come on, and it's like it's
Come
not
on,
even-
let's
it's
go
not-
then.
It's not even 6.
Yeah, it's not the time. It's dark.
Going here.
This way.
Up.
Higher.
Higher, man. £1, 1 fish. Have a look. £1 fish. Very, very good. £1 fish. Very, very nice. £1 fish. Very, very good. £1 fish. Ahí están las marcas de la muerte.
Yeah.
Hay vayan por ahí que los mata. Los mata el lobo. El hombre lobo. Como se llama en Argentina, el hombre bobo. Te digo, es el cuento de la liebre y la tortuga, la vieja ya está ahí arriba.
Joder, de verdad, ¿eh?
Sí. La tiene clarísimo. Debe tener 150 años.
Por lo menos.
Uy. £1 fish. Lo bueno es que después todo bajada, bajamos rapidísimo.
Ya, eso sí.
¿Ah?
You don't have to climb. It's like this. Straight away.
He knows how to lie.
That's not the hard place.
No, we're still going there. Yeah.
Look out on the top.
Yeah.
See you there.
Take the
You're doing better than us. Help this little fella here. This young fella.
The young and the old. Give him your stick.
Yeah, imagine. He steal it. He's like, sorry, but I need it more than you.
It's over.
Oi. Come on. You can do it.
Come on, we wait.
Come on. The last physical activity she done probably was Primark.
Yeah. Oh wow.
That was the last world record. There's a shopping at the top.
There's shopping.
There's a shopping mall at the top.
We're almost there.
Prada.
You won't be able to afford it. We have it.
You know the £1, 1 fish guy, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. £1, 1 fish. Very, very nice. £1 fish. I should think that when we have only fish in the oven.
If that's the case, I'll only serve fish.
Yeah. The other day, one customer just said like, if you give me fish, I will cook it. It's like, oh, wait. I didn't even put the fish in your tray. Well, come on. Don't be a victim. Some passengers, man, they got moral. They transform.
Yeah.
El sonido del viento.
Sí, es brutal.
Mira el avión allá, barre debajo. Allá. Look, the plane is so low,
Ah, yeah, because it's gonna land.
Do you hear the wind?
Oh,
Vamos para arriba.
so what happened with it? Oh,
More here?
cabrón.
Oh, esta es la última, esta es la última. I promise.
No need to go higher further up. You're all right.
Yes, yes.
You like the view?
It's awesome.
It's crazy, yeah?
It's amazing. But the mountains are even more impressive.